video, you must be the craft leader. How exciting. I love crafts, and crafts is just a great time to be creative and kind of get a little messy. Not too messy because I'm not a messy craft person, but we still will have fun. I just want to first off say thank you. We could not do this without you. We definitely need you. Okay, so as a craft leader, we want to make your job super, super easy. So you won't have to worry about cutting anything or organizing anything. And each kid will really have stuff individualized for them. So I'll make your job super easy. There's a couple things I want to talk to you about as your kids come in. I found that the less you have on the table, the better. Because when they come in and they get in their seats and settle down a bit, you really want to be able to go over the project that you're going to be doing, and of course there will be a sample so you can show them. So you really want to touch on the Bible verse of the day and just go over it a couple times, ask the kids if they've heard it, because we probably would have done it in the opening ceremonies and so forth like that. So just so you know, we're changing VBS just slightly this year. You're going to have a 20-minute break between the first group that comes in and the second group, which is going to make your job a little bit easier also. So we do ask that you're mindful of time. We're going to provide a timer, and whatever time the craft is supposed to start, we ask that you start it. And usually about 5 minutes before we're ready to wrap up in crafts, I like to kind of give a 5-minute warning so that way the kids can finish up their project quickly or start picking up and getting stuff cleaned up. So that way you don't have to take care of the whole mess. Now, the kids are going to take their crafts with them at the end of the time. We're going to go ahead and collect them into a big bucket that's going to have their team name on it, and then somebody will run at the end of it and grab each team bucket and bring it into our meeting area. And that way the kids don't lose it or it's not a distraction as they're doing other activities. So I just wanted to make you aware of that. I think that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, please contact us. We would love to hear from you. We would love to answer any concerns or questions you might have. And I think that is it. So thank you very much. Again, we cannot do this without you. Oops, wait, don't go yet. I forgot 2 things. The kids, some of the crafts the kids may not finish in the 20-minute time period. And if that's the case, we provide baggies and labels. What I suggest you do is have them write their name on the label and then stick it on the baggie. And then we're going to put their craft into the baggie, seal it up, and that will go into the craft bucket at the end of the time. So that way they can finish the project at home, because some kids are very meticulous and like to take a lot of time, which is totally fine. We want to encourage that. And the second thing is kind of a bigger issue, is that a lot of times, even the big adults love to do our crafts, but what we're asking is that only the kids do the craft. So if they're not 12 or under, they're not allowed to do a craft. So I know it might seem a little stringent, but because this is a cost that the church incurs, we really want to respect them and make sure it is for the kids and that we have enough for each of the kids that are going to be there. Alright, I really think that's it. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. Love to hear from you, and God bless.